How to fix a huge argument with your girlfriend. Hey, check one, viewers. Ever been in one of those massive disagreements with your girlfriend and wondered, now what? Let's dive into some steps to mend those ties. 1. Time out. Right after a clash, emotions can be like a boiling pot. Give it some time. Engage in something different to let your mind settle. It might be a day or even just a few hours, but cooling off is key. 2. Reflect. Ask yourself, what was the real issue? Was it the topic you argued about, or was there something deeper? Understand your feelings, and also consider what she might have felt. Remember, it's not about winning or losing, it's about understanding. 3. Open a dialogue. Find a quiet moment, take a deep breath, and start the conversation. Use I feel statements rather than pointing fingers. I felt hurt when sounds way better than you made me feel. 4. Listen. This is golden. When she speaks, pay full attention. Understand her perspective. Sometimes just listening can solve half the issues. 5. Apologize. If you realize you were in the wrong, or even if you weren't completely wrong but could have handled things better, say, sorry. Genuine apologies can heal. 6. Plan. For next time. Discuss ways to avoid similar disagreements in the future. Communication is key. Maybe you'll both discover a new way to share concerns without escalating into an argument. Part 2. Resolving the argument. 1. Plan a conversation. Once you've both cooled off, it's time for a heart-to-heart. Setting a proper time and place for this is crucial. Aim for a relaxed moment, perhaps a weekend evening post-dinner. That way, neither hunger nor fatigue throws you off track. If you don't live together, opt for a neutral location. A peaceful park or a quiet cafe might be ideal. This ensures neither of you feels cornered or overly defensive. 2. Adopt open body language. Your body can speak volumes, even before you utter a word. Maintain eye contact. It shows you're genuinely involved in the conversation. A nod now and then will reassure her that you're paying attention. Avoid closed-off gestures like crossed arms, and keep those nervous habits in check. 3. Hone your verbal skills. Words have power, so wield them wisely. Be straightforward and avoid beating around the bush. Don't interrupt. And when she's done speaking, check in. Did I get what you meant? Or could you explain that bit? Also, stick to I statements to express your feelings without sounding accusatory. For instance, swap, you embarrassed me with, I felt embarrassed. 4. Validate her feelings. Everyone wants their feelings acknowledged. Ensure she knows you respect her emotions, even if you don't fully agree. Sometimes, just being heard can work wonders. 5. Pinpoint the differences. All couples have certain points of contention. Recognize them, delve deep, and try to understand the root cause of the disagreement. Was it just about being late, or is there more underlying it? Recognizing where you both stand can actually strengthen the relationship in the long run. 6. Apologize where necessary. Introspect. If you realize a part of the disagreement was due to your actions or words, own up to it. A genuine, heartfelt apology can mend many cracks. Part 3. Preventing future fights. 1. Address issues. Promptly. You see a tiny storm cloud on the horizon? Don't wait for it to turn into a thunderstorm. Address concerns as soon as they crop up. The longer you wait, the bigger that little issue becomes. Before you know it, it's dragging along a bunch of old stuff that should have been left in the past. Save yourselves the stress and address concerns immediately. 2. Establish a peaceful protocol. Let's admit, anger can be blinding, but you and your girlfriend can draft a peaceful argument resolution strategy. For instance, when a disagreement starts, pause and take a 5-minute breather. It might sound odd, but this small break can give you the clarity to discuss things without heated emotions. 3. Understand emotional needs. Many times, the real fight isn't about the apparent issue, but unmet emotional needs. If she seems extra frustrated, ponder. Have you been too wrapped up in other things lately? Maybe she misses spending quality time with you. 4. Recap and reflect. Once you've talked it out, it's recap time. Summarizing ensures you're on the same page. Discuss the main points of the argument, how you felt, how she felt, and how you both plan to avoid a similar situation. This simple recap can be your ticket to preventing future misunderstandings. In conclusion, open communication is the bridge to a smooth sailing relationship. By taking proactive steps, you can ensure your boat doesn't rock too much. If you have other preventive tips or personal experiences, let's share and learn together in the comments. And hey, if you find this useful, keep the love flowing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell.